Hi guys, I hope you enjoy my unboxing today of the Cricut Explore Air 2. On the comments below, let me know what kinds of projects and crafts you do with your Cricut. Let me know, I'm a newbie at it, but I would like to get its full use out of it. So you guys go ahead, leave those comments below and I will check them out. I hope you enjoy this unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Introducing the Cricut Explore Air 2. The smart cutting machine. So let's look at this bad boy. This is part of a kit available through HSN. Here is the Cricut. It looks like the transfer tape. It also comes with the premium vinyl. This is like the mat. It comes with another premium vinyl. Like a tool here. Is the welcome paperwork. And then look at this machine. So at the bottom you have some cords, and then here's the Explore Air 2, and I love this color. Here are different commands here. So can't wait to start using this and let you know what my thoughts are.